Hi guys, gapang nag-harvest kami ng aming munggo. Look at that. Yes, that's the munggo. Yes. Oh, see guys. Yes, it's marami. If you are masipag magtanim, that I always say, ikaw ay may aanihin. Diba? So, ayun, si tatay, my father-in-law also, picking ang laki ng ang malawak ang mungguhan. Hi, Neng! Meaning, yan, ang batang masipag.
Oh, marami ha?
Wow, she taking a lot. Look at that, guys. So, dapat siyang tularan, guys. Kayong mga kabataan, magtanim. Magtanim ay di biro, maghapong nakayuko. So, we are, ayan. Kinukuha namin yung munggo. Tapos, ibibilad mo. Para maging mung beans. The beginning is gonna be like this.
Mine hits good, Mama.
Wow, so good. Very good. Yeah. So there's a lot. There's a lot, guys. So cannot be only one day. Actually, my tatay, I think that's his 5th times. This one is my 2nd time to helping him to harvest the munggo. So fun. It's very fun. Like this. She's my niece. So, wow. It's gonna be like that. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Okay.
Marami.
Yes, guys. So, I'm here picking the mung.
Go.
Mung go. So, thank you for watching and bye. See you next on our video, on our next vlog. Bye. So, look at that. The sunset is going to be.
Mommy,
Yes. The bird. So beautiful.
no.
Hi guys, it's a munggo. Lapat nga munggo man gali imong tanom tayo. Oh, it's a lot.
Ito yahay ginatapak ko, napapak ko yung bukan na pag-ilapay. At mga buwan na